Hey entrepreneurs, there we go. Okay, I'm going to take you through a couple of the latest changes that are very important with regards to having some connectors and with the new license activation fees. So as you can see, here we have a block now that's been added. This block basically tells you with the current week, so from Monday up until now, how many people have purchased an activation license, and then also how much you stand to earn at the end of this cycle. And remember, with this license activation fees that get paid whenever someone registers now, you get paid a commission. Non-pro gets 60 Rand per registration and pros gets 80 Rand. You can see here, I'm using Elandra's as an example. So yeah. Now then, there are two buttons here. You might have seen the open wallet button, and then also a new one that I've added is view connectors. Let's first go to open wallet. If you open the wallet, you will see that it shows you this is a combined block, this is a current block, and then the rest at the bottom are basically 3 weeks prior. Okay, any registrations 3 weeks prior. This total block will show you the cumulative amounts for this week current and the previous 3 weeks. Okay, and then this block over here will show you live this week, basically what you will be earning at the end of this current cycle. Okay, let's go back. Now let's go open the connectors, view connectors button. That is this one over here. Okay, so if you click on view connectors, now you can see who are the people that have connected this week. And it also shows you last week. It shows you 2 weeks ago and 3 weeks ago. Okay, but for this week, we are going to focus, or from now on, we are going to focus on this week. Okay, basically what this shows you is every single registration that happens, whether they have completed the registration or not. Okay, if they have completed the registration, you will see a paid, well, actually it's a paid and a paid date. Those two information pulls over there, it's what they call it, pulls, but those two, that there will show you that they have paid. If they have not paid and they have not completed the registration, then it shows there that they need activation. Now look at how simple I've made this for you. I have added for each one a WhatsApp button. So if the person needs activation, you click on the WhatsApp button, it'll go and fetch that person's cell phone number, and it will add a message. If you look at the message here at the bottom, it says hi and the person's username, your username, it's me, your username. I saw you started registering on one for me. Do you need a hand to finish and activate your page? It takes 1 to 2 minutes. I can guide you. Now remember, these people are like a warm market. They've registered, they've shown interest, but they haven't completed the registration yet because they saw that there was an amount that needs to be paid. Now this is very easy. You can just make contact with them, find out, hey, listen here, why haven't you yet? Or I can help you finish it off. Then they'll probably come back and say, hey, yeah, I don't have money right now. And you can then just say, hey, cool, let me know as soon as you're ready and I can get back to you. Then we have the WhatsApp button for those who have already paid. Basically, this is just to say, hey, welcome. Let me show you what it says. There you can see. It says there, hey Bootsy G, it's Landra J, it uses your usernames. Welcome to one for me. Your lifetime license is active. Here's your page. If you'd like a quick walkthrough or tips to get your first connectors, I'm here to help. Okay, so then you can just send that as a small little welcome message to the person. then you can just send that message as a welcome message. Okay, and then other things on the page as well is just this little button over here, mark contacted. So basically all that does is when you click on that, it then marks that person as contacted. It just shows you then for future reference that you have contacted this person. Okay, so you will see there the button disappears and it shows here that this person is contacted. This person is contacted. This person is contacted. Okay, make contact, connect with your people, connect with your network, because this is the first step. As soon as you start helping them to get connectors, then they're going to see, hey, listen, yeah, this is pretty cool. And then they're going to go over to Pro as well. And that is ultimately what you want, is you want to build a network of pros, because that is how you build your residual, that passive monthly income. Happy building, and if any of you have questions, please feel free to ask in the WhatsApp channels. I'm here to help, and I'm here to assist you become successful. Let's do this.